Welcome everyone. Become a Solutions Architect or BeSA is a free mentoring initiative designed to help you excel in your cloud career. It's an 8-week program focusing on both technical and behavioral skills, and it's a unique opportunity for you to be mentored directly by technical professionals working at AWS. Over the last couple of years, we have helped more than 1,000 people upskill and get AWS certified. Few of them even joined AWS.
That's completely true, Prasad. And this is our batch 07. This is starting in Q1 2025. And this batch is starting from February 15th, which will last up to April 05. So if you do the math, it is an 8 weeks batch, and we would be focusing on lots of stuff through the live stream every Saturday. So that's what's going to happen. The timing for live stream will be 3 p.m. GMT to 4:30 p.m. GMT. We are trying to accommodate a lot of people from different time zones, so hopefully this will work for you.
And as always, we'll be focusing on both technical skills and behavioral skills. In the technical track, we will cover AWS GenAI, Immersive, hands-on workshops. That will be 8 workshops in 8 weeks. And in behavioral track, we will cover everything you need to crack AWS Solutions Architect Interview in 2025. Let's dive deep into each of these tracks.
Yeah, both skills are very much required for an essay, technical skills as well as behavioral skills. So for technical track, we would be focusing on how to utilize generative AI, which is talk of the town as of now. We will be focusing in 8 weeks, 8 different workshops, as Prasad said. So we'll start with the basics of foundation model initially, just to get a hands-on experience. Then we'll mature ourselves into doing some prompt engineering mastering. Afterwards, in week 3, we'll be extending the capability of foundation model. And with generative AI, a lot of talks goes about responsible AI. So we'll be focusing on that too, that how you can be building responsible AI application. That would be in week 4. Week 5, we will be also talking about using machine learning without writing any line of a code. So that can be really appealing thing for a lot of you folks. Week 6 will be focusing on securing your application using Amazon Q. So as a developer, you need to write secure code, and that's where Amazon Q can help you. And then if you are into migration, then you can utilize Amazon Q capabilities, which is a very new feature, and we'll be focusing on that too. And at the end, we'll be building an end-to-end serverless application which will convert your text to speech, which can be really useful application for your day-to-day work also. So that is how the 8 weeks of technical track would look like. Exciting.
Yeah. So now let's look into the behavioral track. And as I said, in behavioral track, we will cover everything you need to crack AWS Solutions Architect Interview. So in week 1, we will understand what is the role of AWS Solutions Architect. And in week 2, we would cover a very important topic, that is how do recruiters search for potential essay candidates. And in week 3, what does a essay interview process looks like end to end. In week 4, we'll be covering what topics you need to prepare as a candidate to clear Solutions Architect technical phone screen at AWS. And in week 5, we'll look into the written assessment that is required to be done as part of AWS Solutions Architect interview process. Week 6 is again very important. We'll look into who the bar raiser is and what role do they play in a AWS Solutions Architect interview process. And in week 7, we will look into the final AWS essay loop round, which consists of 5 interviews that happens and focuses mainly on the behavioral and that is Amazon leadership principles. And in the last week, we'll look into what our AWS Solutions Architect does in the first 3 to 6 months, what it is look like for them. So if you join as a Solutions Architect at AWS, how is your ramp up going to be and what you'll be doing in first 3 to 6 months. And this is very important for you to understand while interviewing also, so that you can try and get into the groove. So that's we'll be covering in the behavioral track end to end, how to clear AWS Solutions Architect interview in 2025.
That's very impressive lineup, and it is an end-to-end process, starting from getting your resume shortlisted and going up to interviews and clearing them. So why wait? Register today at besaprogram.com. This is our new website. You would find a link to register, and you can find additional recording from our previous batches also, just to give you an idea of how the session would unfold. So hope you would be joining us, and we would be seeing you very soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And we are really excited to launch the next batch of BeSA. See you all there.